Idols. Sound familiar, ain't it? We all must have an idol at some point through our life, as an idol can be a source of inspiration and motivation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dani, and I'm an 8th grade student from Butterfly School. Today, I would love to give a speech about idols. Before we start, what is an idol? An idol is somebody who you admire and love for their remarkable talent, unique passion, and also their noble qualities. But now the question is, who is my idol? My idol is my best friend, William. Now, I know I have a lot of friends. I respect all of my friends. But this particular friend, I really respect him a lot. Because he is like a brother to me. He's like a role model to me. That's why, but why though? Why do I respect him more than my other friend? Because he's always there for me, no matter what. As I said, he's like a brother to me. When I'm in a difficult situations, when I'm having social problems, he always gives me ways on how to manage this situation and how to cope with it. Not only that, but he also has helped me through with dealing my emotions. He knows when to joke or when not to joke. When the moments are serious, he doesn't joke around. He always tries his best to help me. But when the moment is alright, then he would usually hang out with me if he have time and just make jokes about each other. But not only that, so now, how do I met my best friend William? I met him through some science community 3 years ago because, as you can tell, I'm a big fan of science and mostly I have interest in physics and astronomy. And we both have some interest in physics. That's why we started to become friends and we kept bonding over time. And that's how it led us to today. But William has always been helpful to me in my life. He has always taught me a life lesson. Although he has a difficult childhood and a bad past, he still managed to get through it, and he doesn't want me to end up like him. And he puts others before himself, and he's quite selfless. That's why I admire him and respect him a lot. But anyways, he told me today that before I do my speech, he told me today that it doesn't matter if I win or if I lose. What matters is the experience you gain from doing these things. That's why I respect him a lot. But anyways, that's all for my speech today, and I respect all of my friends, but this one I respect a lot more. Thank you for listening.